Don't try this at home. We're not professionals.
Not by any means, but hopefully you can learn from our mistakes. Hey guys, and welcome back to House Renovations. And as always, here's Jasper. Code 8. Good morning guys, and welcome to House Renovations Chapter 2, Part 8. Now, as you see, we did not get the shingling done yesterday, but I'm not even joking you. As soon as I filmed that outro, within 5 minutes it was pitch black out here. So, we're going to finish the runs of the shingles and hopefully get to caulking today. Painting will probably come this weekend in Part 9, but stay tuned. I'll see you guys later. I'm going to go start the fire. Fire started. Let's get to work. Alright, picking up where we left off, we started another run. Sorry I had a camera malfunction, so I couldn't catch the start of it, but here's the tail end of it for you guys. So, to set the cadence for this run, we're going from the window to the corner, instead of the corner to the window. So here you see the old man bust out the measuring tape. Now, that's because instead of doing the run like we have been, where we're marking out a long line and then going along that, we've been measuring 10 inches up so we have enough room to staple the new shingles on for the next run. Then we're marking our line after, making sure it's level. Now here you see us cheating a little bit. We're starting the next run from the window to the corner. Considering we know our height and where we have to place the bottom of the next run of shingles, we figured we might as well so we didn't have to double back. So now we finished our next run, and we finished our next run up to the window on both sides. So now we gotta get above that window, and that's where Dad does a little finesse work. Alright, so what exactly are you doing there, old man, with that shingle?
Well, because we had to put a backer board behind the shingles here. They had to make the shingles thinner at the top and bottom, which the bottom of the original shingle is too thick and the top is too thin. So we had to cut out the middle, top and middle to use the middle of it, so we can fill in around the window.
Yeah, what he's talking about, guys, is right up here, so that he can attach them up there. He needs to take a little bit more off, and then he'll be able to just slide it in there and tack it up. Alright guys, this side is fully shingled. Now, on to the real big project of the day, this side. Time to lay the next run on the next wall. Hey guys, and that's all the time we have for today for House Renovations Chapter 2, Episode 8. Now, we didn't get the full runs done on this side, but that's because we're running out of daylight. Not to mention, Dad has to go back to work tomorrow. Vacation's over, so fun time's over. He does work a full-time job. So, this weekend, we're going to cover getting the rest of these runs. We're going to cover the caulking, and hopefully we'll get at least slap the first coat of paint on. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.